Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair. Oh my goodness. This is one of my favorite styles by Raquel Welch. This is called Watch Me Wow. And the color is Glazed Strawberry. Oh my goodness. So pretty, so pretty. Now, before we get started, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Let's get connected. So push the subscribe button and that's how we'll stay connected. I review wigs and help coach you if you're new to wig wearing and all things wigs and hair and self-confidence and all that good stuff. So I've got some surprises for 2025. If you subscribe to my newsletter here, in my link in the bio, there's a website, and that's my website. You can also find the link to this hair, and you'll go click on that link and it'll take you to all things at wigs.com, where you can purchase hair and I can assist you with that and get some credit. So I appreciate you shopping with me. Now let's talk about this hair. Oh my goodness, isn't she stunning? I just think, wow. And it is Watch Me Wow by Raquel Welch. So let me show you the back. It's not super long. It's kind of a great length, especially if you're going to wear anything on your neck, because synthetic sometimes tends to tangle, but this is just really fun, really kind of sporty. I love it. I really love it. Let's look on the inside. I always like to give you a tour of the inside of these wigs because it's, you know, it's kind of fun to see. So we're going to take off the wig, and this is me. I like to say I have an 8 head, which means 8 fingers I think could fit between my brow bone and my hairline. The rule of thumb when you wear a wig is 3 to 4 fingers. So hence 4 head, 4 fingers fit here, and that's where the hairline should be. We'll get into that more in a minute. Let's look on the inside of this wig. So the first thing you're gonna do when you get the wig, give her a shake. She's been traveling a long ways to get to you, and you want to shake out all any loose ends or any stray hairs. We'll turn her inside out, and you can see here she's an open wefted cap. These are wefts, and this is where the hair is sewn in. It's open as opposed to hand tied, so you can see my fingers can come through all the way through. So this is called open wefted. These are the adjuster tabs back here. They're Velcro, and you can make it tighter or looser. Word of caution, if you tighten the wig too tight, you will get a slamming headache. So always err on the side of not too tight. As a new wig wearer, it's just common that you were to tighten it down, because I think one of our biggest fears is that this thing is gonna come off our head and we're gonna be embarrassed. So not to worry, with the proper wig cap and the proper kind of preparation, it's not gonna fall off. And you're gonna practice at home. And I'm gonna encourage you to do that. All right, so we turn this around. We've got velvet ear tabs, and these just kind of snugly fit to your temples. And then we have lace here in the front of this wig, which is gonna give the illusion of it coming out of my scalp if I pull it back off my hairline. And then there's no free parting space. So this is just gonna be kind of a messy look. So there's not a free part. This is the crown of my head here. So that'll help the hair look like it's very natural. So we're gonna turn it inside out and shake it some more. Now to put on the wig, we're gonna dive our forehead into the front right here. I like to say land it above your eyebrows right here, and then pull it on. So just like this, pop up, and now we adjust using the ear tabs like this. So as you adjust it, you kind of play with it, see where you want it. I'm so glad you're here today. So join me, follow me, subscribe, and let's stay connected. Let's take one more look around at the back of this gorgeous number, Watch Me Wow. Indeed, Watch Me Wow. Would love to hear from you and answer anything about wigs for you. Have a great day. Cheers. Mwah.